Today's mini webinar is on strengthening your belief in yourself. It may sound strange, but the one person you always have in your life is you. In order to have an existence that's peaceful yet exciting and fulfilling, it's important to believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you know that you have the ability to handle anything that life throws your way. You recognize that although things may be tough, you'll get through it. If that voice deep inside you says, "But what if I'm not sure that I can handle something?" you could probably benefit from boosting your self-confidence and recognizing more of your abilities. These strategies can bolster that belief. Know yourself. Who are you? How would you describe yourself to someone who doesn't know? Write down a description of you. Paula is a person who enjoys life, has great friends, and loves helping others. Keep writing about what you know about yourself. When you're finished, read it. Does it give the reader a clear idea of who you are? 2. Develop a real understanding of how you react in certain situations. For example, if someone tells you he's angry about something you did, how do you respond? When people ask for help, what do you do? Noticing the behaviors you perform whenever challenging situations occur will help you see your capabilities. After that, you can work on building up those capabilities so you're better equipped to handle whatever comes your way. Be comfortable with your own feelings. After all, they are a very important part of who you are. Recognize what you're feeling and label it. Is it sadness you feel when you see your little girls growing up? It's okay to shed a tear over a poignant commercial or a sad or touching movie. It's a sign of self-belief and empathy. It shows that we are capable of feeling deeply for others, even if we don't know them personally. Crying is a natural response to sadness, and it can be cathartic. It can also be a way of showing support for someone else who is going through a tough time. 4. Recognize your strong points. Although most of us can identify our weak areas right off the bat, it's sometimes a challenge to see our strong points. However, if you want to be successful, it's important to know and play to your strengths. Recognizing the areas of life in which you do really well is a great confidence booster. Remind yourself you've made it through some challenging episodes in life. When you see what you've risen above, it helps you to realize that you can get through tough times. You can probably easily recount all the difficult phases you've gone through in life. Yet here you are, surviving and maybe even thriving. Be inspired by the initiative, personal strength, and courage you've shown so far in life. Say to yourself, "If I did that, then I can achieve even more." For example, maybe you made your way through college or even graduate school while working full-time and taking care of a family. That's quite a feat. It must have been a challenging time for you. Yet somehow, you did it. That's pretty incredible. Acknowledge it. Get comfortable with admitting you made a mistake. This suggestion just might be the most important one on the list. If you can't admit to yourself and others on a regular basis that you've made a mistake, the fact is you'll have difficulty believing in yourself. Why? Because in order to believe in yourself, you must be real with yourself and others. Times otherwise, you'll see that you're not even honest with yourself and your confidence will lag. It's okay to be wrong. Let's face it, most of us are wrong at least once a day. The easiest way to solve an issue or figure out a conundrum is to acknowledge, "I did something wrong." If you recognize and acknowledge your errors, you're very wise because you obviously know you can't correct a mistake unless you see the mistake in the first place. If you're not already doing it, start openly and honestly acknowledging errors. That way, you can fix them. These actions will also help you believe in your ability to handle anything. If you believe in yourself, your life will be so much easier. Believing in yourself brings certain quiet confidence. Thoughtfully consider the above points and strengthen your resolve to believe in the one person you always have, you. Thank you for watching this mini webinar.